I've given you an opportunity to give your comment.
Can we,
What is your point of clarification? What do you want to clarify?
Mr. Speaker, in my understanding of the standing orders, a motion for limitation of debate should come from the floor. It cannot be the place of the Speaker to limit the amount of time that members are going to contribute on any particular matter.
This is a special session today, and because of the business that we have, Senator Sifuna, actually we're at the bottom. Even I'm actually trying to help you so that you can make your comments. Senator Madago, are you leading for this, or I give Senator Cherargei? Senator Cherargei.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. From the onset, I want to support this petition through you, Mr. Speaker. From the onset, I want to say academic qualification for speakers is important for understanding and movement of the House. But, Mr. Speaker, you know leadership comes from God. So, Speaker, we should avoid being prescriptive. And you remember, Mr. Speaker, in the last session, under Elections Act, we postponed academic qualification for the MCAs and members of Parliament, Mr. Speaker. My own thinking as a leader in this country, Mr. Speaker, because it's God-given, we should just be proficient in English and Kiswahili. You don't need to have a diploma or certificate because leadership is not equated to academic qualification, Mr. Speaker. And therefore, there is no need to disturb members of County Assembly, MCAs, to go for degrees, to go for diplomas, Mr. Speaker. It doesn't make sense because when you are leading, you need wisdom. You need Solomonic wisdom, Mr. Speaker. And finally, in terms of academic qualification for the speakers, I think they need to be cognitive of English and Kiswahili. If you are proficient in both, Mr. Speaker, and I think outside academic qualification, I agree with my colleagues that we need issues of leadership and integrity, issues of competency in terms of ability and cognitiveness of what happens, Mr. Speaker. Let us not equate good leadership with academics, Mr. Speaker. We have seen professors failing nations and societies. But we have seen people who loved at class 3, like Mulu Mutisha, like Ezekiel Barangetuny, Mr. Speaker, or like Oletipis, who straddled the leadership of this country like Colossus, Mr. Speaker, because of their unique, even President Moi was a P1 teacher. He became a professor of politics and led this country for 24 years, Mr. Speaker. There is nowhere that says you must be qualified, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, can you protect me from the hecklers? Mr. Speaker,